I'm Sarah, and today I'm not going to show you how to make some really super easy pancakes because they are really easy to make, but I'm going to let my kids take over the channel for a week and they're going to do it, so here you go.
Hi, I'm Olivia, this is Aston Samantha, and we're going to show you how to make some really simple pancakes. 1 cup's worth of flour. Usually we'd use self-raising flour, but we have not got any at the moment. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, and 1 cup milk. Now we go and mix it till this mixture's nice and smooth. Usually you'd be using a non-stick frying pan, but as we don't have one, you can use either oil or butter. So we put a tablespoonful of mixture on. Flip it back again just to check it out.
Oh, that's more like the colour we want, isn't it?
Cook it a little more on this side. Yeah, it.
Very, very yummy. Awesome.
Hit thanks, leave us a comment, subscribe, and my mum will get back to you next week.
Bye!
Bye!